Established in 1986, Factronics Group has evolved from its beginnings as an industrial electronics maintenance company to become a leading supplier of industrial printers and packing-related equipment for the Americas and the Caribbean. With 30 years of experience, we've built long-term relationships and created trust, expanding our services all throughout the continent, providing industrial solutions for mass consumption product manufacturers that need the latest technology from suppliers like Videojet Technologies, ITWDynatec, Anritsu, Markenbox, KoolTrak, Omron Industrial Control Equipment, among others. All of them trust in our distribution, sales, and service capabilities to bring their products to customers. We provide high-quality equipment and supplies to our clients in countries like Trinidad, Suriname, Guyana, Dominican Republic, and others. Thanks to our strategically located offices in United States, Trinidad and Tobago, and Venezuela, we provide our clients with quick response, technical support, and local stock of parts and supplies. We take pride in our team of certified engineers, assuring our clients' satisfaction with experience and high professional level. We thrive to improve our clients' productivity and cost efficiency. For more information, visit our websites.